Here's what moved markets today.
South Korea's KOSPI index experienced a decline of nearly 10%, coinciding with approximately $1 trillion in U.S. equity market value losses and the U.S. dollar reaching a 13-month high. The combination of equity weakness and dollar strength reflects significant global risk-off positioning across major markets. Bitcoin declined below $62,000 during the session, with the move coinciding with over $550 million in forced liquidations of leveraged positions across crypto markets. The price movement occurred during the broader period of global risk asset pressure and dollar appreciation, affecting traditional and digital markets simultaneously. Ethereum network usage metrics reached record levels, despite continued weakness in the token's price. The divergence between on-chain activity and price performance reflects growing utilization of the network's infrastructure for transactions, smart contracts, and decentralized applications independent of market sentiment. The Ethereum Foundation announced a 20% workforce reduction as part of an organizational restructuring focused on operational efficiency. The staff changes follow the recent pattern of senior researcher departures and reflect ongoing governance adjustments within the foundation's leadership structure. Technology company Meta is reportedly developing a prediction market application called Arena, according to reports. The development reflects growing corporate interest in event outcome forecasting platforms, following the significant expansion of prediction market activity throughout 2026. Federal Reserve rate hike expectations shifted substantially, with market pricing for a December interest rate increase rising from 23% to 77% probability. The repricing reflects the Fed's recent policy communications and has contributed to a deteriorating liquidity outlook for risk assets, including cryptocurrency markets. Looking at this morning's price action as of 9:45 Central European Time, the market shows sharp divergence dominated by another extreme LSETH reversal, Ethereum up 15.20%, continuing its recent pattern of strength, Avalanche adding 4.10%, and Suisse gaining 2.65%, double-digit leadership in smart contract infrastructure alongside modest gains in Layer 1 platforms. On the downside, liquid-staked ETH declines 21.90%, continuing the pattern of extreme volatility that has characterized this protocol in recent weeks, with repeated 20 to 40% swings in both directions. Gram off 8.71%, and Knight Protocol declining 6.04%. Mid to high single-digit weakness alongside LSETH's severe reversal of yesterday's 27% gain. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index holds at 20, unchanged from yesterday and stabilizing after the recent decline from the 22 to 25 consolidation range. The stability occurs alongside today's mixed market structure, where Ethereum's continued strength and modest broader gains are offset by LSETH's recurring extreme volatility and mid-single-digit losses elsewhere. The index has now held at 20 for 2 consecutive sessions, potentially establishing a new consolidation level following the break below the week-long 22 to 25 range. Market psychology shows neither continued deterioration toward the 15 to 16 extreme fear floor, nor recovery back toward the previous baseline, suggesting a tentative stabilization at this level.